You kick off with the classic king's pawn opening, and your opponent, unsuspecting and full of hope, throws out the Scandinavian defense. But hold on to your chess hats, because here comes the magic move, the surprise ninja knight maneuver. Instead of the typical pawn grab, you slide your knight to f3, setting the stage for a chess spectacle. Black will take the pawn on e4 faster than the speed of light, because not only is he getting a free pawn, but he's also threatening to take your knight. Now watch as your knight sachets from f3 to g5, dodging danger and giving the stink eye to that pawn on e4. It's like a secret dance-off, and black is the unintentional dance partner. Black faces a tricky choice, 3 doors of dilemma. Door 1, crack open the king's realm with f5. Door 2, make the bishop feel lonely on f5, and door 3, send the knight to f6. Black chooses door number 3 and develops his knight while protecting his pawn. Now hold on to your chess pieces as you unleash the d3 dazzler move. Offering your pawn on d3, you lure black into a trap. Like a kid in a candy store, black grabs that pawn, falling right into your hands. Bam! Your white bishop swoops in, snatching the unsuspecting pawn on a 4. It's like grabbing the last slice of pizza at a party. Irresistible. Black, happy about the extra pawn, smugly plays pawn to h6, trying to kick your knight back. Little does he know you're about to make a brilliant move that'll leave him more confused than a cat in a room full of lasers. Your knight storms in, causing mayhem, threatening the queen and rook simultaneously, turning the board into a chess carnival. Black's king is stuck in a game of should I stay or should I go? They instantly grab your knight with their king, falling right into your trap. Check, please. Bishop to g6, surprising black's king. Cornered and clueless, black can't go back to save the queen. After the king captures the bishop, the queen's left exposed, and we take it faster than the speed of sound. So that's how you trap your opponent's queen in just 8 moves. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun ways to learn chess. Until next time, keep those pieces grooving and kings guessing.